Hey everybody, and welcome to Keep Drawing. Today we're going to learn how to draw a snake, starting with the letter S. So let's get started. Our first step is writing a big letter S. So let's start up at the top of the page, curve down towards the center, and finish with this tail on the end. Remember to pause the video if I'm going too fast. And now for our next step. Go back to the top of the letter S to draw the snake's head. And bring this curve underneath like this. Next, draw another line starting with the neck. This part of the snake's body should look thin. As we continue down to the center, the snake's body gets wider. And the widest point is right here in the middle. This next line shows the body of the snake getting smaller towards the tail. And by the time we reach the end of the snake's body, the tail comes to a very narrow point. Try to go slow and make your lines nice and smooth. Now we have a complete outline of the snake's body, and I'm just going to clean up a few lines here. And start my favorite part, which is the details on the snake's head. So draw a small curve here in the center, and another one underneath. I'm using a fine point marker for these details as I add the colored part of the eye inside. And here's another little line for more expression. Now add two little dots for nostrils. Make this little mark near the nose. And draw his forked tongue, bending around just like this. Now color half of it black. And add a little smile. Drawing the snake's pattern is our next step, and I think diamond patterns look really cool on snakes. So start with these two lines on the neck. And continue all the way to the tail. Once we finish that pattern, draw another diamond inside each shape. All the way down to the end of the tail. And now that we've finished our drawing, it's time to color. You could choose any color, but I'm starting with bright yellow for the eyes and the inside of the shapes. As you can tell, I'm speeding things up a bit. And I'm adding light green because it goes well with yellow. Bright red is a great color for the snake's tongue. And I'm going to fill in the rest with orange because it's a bright color that really helps our snake stand out. And here's our letter S snake all finished. I also added a shadow to help the snake stand out on the white page. I really hope you had fun drawing this snake with me. And if you enjoyed this video, please hit like and subscribe. And thanks for watching.